How to remove ads from Block Blast. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a simple trick to temporarily remove ads from Block Blast on your mobile device. So make to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Find and tap on Mobile Data or Cellular. Toggle the switch to Off, next to Block Blast Game. Launch the Block Blast game. Since the game has no internet connection, it should not display any ads. This method will only work if you're playing Block Blast on cellular data or without a Wi-Fi connection. Try disabling Wi-Fi. Go back to Settings, find and tap on Wi-Fi. Here, toggle the Wi-Fi switch to off position. Now go back to home screen and launch the Block Blast game. As the game has no internet connection, it should not display any ads. Note that this method only temporarily removes ads. Disabling mobile data or Wi-Fi may limit other app functionalities that require an internet connection. If you frequently play Block Blast, consider purchasing the ad-free version within the app for a permanent solution. And that's how you can temporarily remove ads from Block Blast by disabling mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.